Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because it is in partnership with Physicians Formula, which is a brand that I absolutely love. And the most exciting part is that I am going to be doing a meet and greet with them at Generation Beauty on March 24th and 25th. Also, I have a little surprise for you guys. I have a coupon code so that way you guys can purchase your tickets at a discounted price. So I'm gonna have that coupon code listed right now on the screen. That way you guys can, check it out and then purchase your guys' tickets at a discounted price. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet you all. So if you guys are going to be in the LA area or just attending in general from anywhere from around the world, I would absolutely love to meet you guys and squeeze you so hard. So let me know if you guys are attending. So I'm going to have all the info in the description box and also here on the screen so you guys can see it. So if you're on the phone, screenshot, or if you're on the computer, take your phone out, screenshot all this info. Also, I want you guys to run to my Instagram because I have a little something there for you guys. So I'm gonna have a link to my Instagram also down below in the description box. I've been attending Generation Beauty for like the past couple years and it's so much fun and I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy to be attending this year with Physicians Formula. So with that being said, I will be showing you guys how to recreate this makeup look using some of their products and some of their new ones that I told you guys that I was going to be testing out, and you guys will see how good they are. But before we jump into the video, my loves, if you guys are still not part of the BIRDY family, what are you guys waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. That way you guys can join the BIRDY family. And also don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way every time I upload new videos, you guys can be notified. But yeah, I think that's it, my love. That's all the info that I have to tell you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So we're going to begin with the skin. And the first thing that I'm going to be using is the new Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. This is supposed to tighten and brighten your skin. And you guys know that's what I'm all about in my skincare routine. I'm all about anti-aging and brightening the crap out of my face. So this does all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my entire face. The difference about this serum, you guys, is that it's a little bit thicker, which I really love because it also at the same time makes it feel like it's a little bit more of a moisturizer, if you say, just because of how thick it is. Like, it's barely dripping down my face. Like, that's how you know it's kind of like a little bit thick, and it feels so nice on the skin. So that's why I really like it. And then you get this, like, I don't know, it's really hard to tell in camera, I know, but in person you can kind of see a little bit of the pinky, like, holographic type of thing that you can when you like start swiping it. It's really cool. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this primer from I can't even talk. From Physicians Formula. This is the Spotlight Illuminating Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my entire face. So what I love about this primer, you guys, is that it gives me like this super natural glow. Also at the same time blurring out like a little bit of my imperfections. Like, it feels so nice on the skin too. And for my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use this one from Physicians Formula. This is the Healthy Foundation. It has an SPF of 20, which I do like. So this is really cool. It has a little bit of like skincare in it, which you guys know I'm really into at the moment right now. So the color that I'm going to be using is MW2. Now for my concealer, I'm going to use this one from Laura Mercier in the color 2W. And this is their Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Too Faced Born This Way powder. You guys know this is a favorite of mine, so I'm going to go ahead and set my whole entire face. This is one of my favorites. This is their Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm using the color. It's called Sun Kiss Bronzer. So that's the shade that I'm using. For my blush, I'm going to use this one from Ofra. This is in the color Bellini. It's such a pretty, like, it almost looks like a pastel pink, but it's so freaking pretty. So I'm going to use this. I don't know, like the perfect like spring blush right now. So for my highlight, I'm going to use this NARS palette. This is called the Bank de Sable. And I'm going to be using this color right here. It's like kind of like a rose gold type of color. So I feel like it's perfect for this look. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the highest points of my cheeks. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my brows using my Reina Rebelde brow pomade. and we'll move on to the eyes. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to be using the Sigma Creme de Couture eyeshadow palette. This has so many pretty pastel colors, as you guys can see. So let me know if you guys would like to see more tutorials using this palette, because I feel like it's like the perfect palette for the springtime. So I'm going to be using this for my eyeshadow. So the first one I'm going to start out with is this pink eyeshadow up here, or it's like pink. It's like between pink and coral, you know what I mean? So it's really pretty, and it's called Apricot Flower. So I'm going to apply this all over my entire crease. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of Cherry Blossom to my crease just to start making it a little bit more pastel pink, something more like my background, you know what I mean? So I'm going to add a little bit of Cherry Blossom. So now for my lid color, I'm going to go ahead and take this pastel yellow called Meyer Lemon, and I'm going to apply this all over my entire lid. Just going back in there with my blending brush, just making sure that we blend these two guys together. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this one from Marc Jacobs. It's a pastel pink, and this one is called Pink of Me. Isn't the name so cute? So I'm going to apply this all over my waterline. I'm just going to take a little bit of Cherry Blossom and just apply this on the outer part of my eye. So for my mascara, I'm going to use this one from Elsie. This is the Lashful Mascara. Now for my lashes, I'm going to be using these from my Reese Beauty. They're so freaking cute and pretty, and these are called Nile. Now for my lipsticks, I'm going to go ahead and mix two of them. These are from Sigma. These are their Lip Eclipse, and then this is the color Rosé, and then Seal of Approval, which will be the one going on top of this one. Now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly set this with the MAC Fix Plus. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys tried it out, don't forget to send me your pictures. And also, I hope to see a lot of you there at Generation Beauty, either Saturday or Sunday. Don't forget, I'm going to have all the info down below in the description box, along with all links to the products that I used for today's video and everything else. So yeah, with that, my loves, if you guys are still not part of the Birdie family and you guys believe that we can and we will make a difference, don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that ring bell notification, even if you're already subscribed. That way, every time I upload new videos, you guys can all be notified. But with that, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Oh god. Do you guys hear the birds? I estar bueno el chisme.
¿Qué?
Yeah. I just pinched my eye. Muchos calores, pasteles, muy... What did I say?
Calores.
Calores? No, I didn't. We'll see about that.